Hello everyone and welcome on this new silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So to be honest and transparent with everyone, we cannot hide the losses. That was my last signal on the silver for the last week, and unfortunately, as we can see, it has failed and the market just kept rising. Now we can see that the silver is actually facing a strong bullish momentum. So what's going to happen next with the silver? Now deleting the old signal and moving to the weekly chart. Now, why are we actually in the weekly chart? To just find the next direction of the silver. So we just need to find the general direction based on the weekly chart. Now what I can see based on the weekly chart is an actual bullish breakout from this long-term resistance trend line, as we can see, like that exactly. So meaning the resistance trend line that actually has been formed back in May 2024 and again September 24 and recently December 24 has finally been broken out from with that bullish breakout candle, and as you can see right now, the market is actually respecting the same level of a previous resistance trend line to create a new supported trend line. We actually thought that the silver will continue the fall to retest the horizontal level of a resistance, but that didn't happen. So now the rejection here indicates a continuation in the rise. Let me just now please move to the daily chart. Now here on daily chart, we can actually use the tricks that we actually use with the Xtreme Trader. So that's actually our style to find the next entries. So what we will do right now is simply draw here a supported trend line, as you can see right here, exactly just like that, ignoring all the fake breakouts. So meaning here we have a supported trend line number 1, number 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, and then we have here the fake breakout in the middle. Now notice that the market ignored this fake breakout and simply reversed exactly at the same level of a real support trend line. That's actually one of the tricks we're using here in Xtreme Trader to find the next reversal point. Now what we will do next is simply move the same line that we have just drawn here and simply place it right on the next level of a resistance trend line right here. Let me just do it. Just like that. Fantastic. Check this out. So now what we can see right here is a broken level of a resistance trend line that actually has here faced a bullish breakout candle, and again due to the strong bullish momentum has become already here a supported trend line. Again indicates as continuation in the rise, and also to expect from the silver to bounce a little bit more right here to continue the rise based on that supported trend line. So also daily chart confirms a continuation in the rise. So let me just now please move to the 4-hour time frame to find our entry to buy the silver from the best level possible. Now what we can see right here is based on the 4-hour time frame a support trend line, as we can see just like that. So meaning the market is actually bouncing on this level of a support trend line with already 5 attempts. Now what we can do next is simply apply the Fibonacci from the higher high to this lower high just like that. Pay attention. We have right now here the bullish breakout from 61.8 Fibonacci retracement exactly at 36.580, which means the silver has actually chances to fall a little bit more down, retest the broken level of 61.8 and also respect the support trend line and continue the rise. So meaning that actually can be our entry to find the next buy level for the silver. Now let's talk about the take profit level. Now again, keeping the same Fibonacci retracement, I'm just going to squeeze the chart like that so I can see clearly. Now as you can see, we have Fibonacci 161.8 has been born and also Fibonacci 119. So in my opinion, to have a safest entry possible and a safest take profit level, I suggest to continue buying until the market reach Fibonacci 119 exactly at 37.692, aiming around 115 pips of profit. Now let's talk about the safe zone, because we cannot actually hold it for a long time, because we are actually mainly relying on the retest of 61.8 and also the bouncing on the support trend line. That means that our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the previous level of a key support at 36.034, and also it means if the market will actually be able to reach this level, it means that it actually has made the bearish breakout from that support trend line, which means the structure has just simply been broken out from. And that's, my friends, my idea for this week for the silver. So therefore our safe zone for the silver will actually be ranging for around 50 pips exactly against 115 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. And that will be our next analysis on the silver. But again, my friends, please remember, just because it came from Xtreme trader doesn't mean it will be 100% profitable. Always trade wisely and responsibly, and make sure that you have been prepared for any potential losses. Trading nowadays is very risky, especially on metals like gold and silver. So please be careful and wise, and make sure that you are actually taking this. If you actually decided to take this signal, please make sure it actually complies with your own analysis. And also in the end, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive updates about these signals that you are receiving here on YouTube. Again, our channel for the gold and silver is Xtreme Gold Signals on Telegram, and to make it easier, you can just simply find the link in the description below this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.